control risk, control sample, control signal, control speed, control strategy, control technology, control temperature, control testing, control valve, control investment, control management, control pattern, control people, control traffic, control activity, control approach, control arm, control budget, control car, control center, control energy, control manner, control method, control module, control organization, control protocol, control quality, control remotely, control response, control result, control scheme, control society, control type, control volume, control aircraft, control breathing, control channel, control construction, control direction, control need, control panel, control program, control range, control site, control situation, control stage, control status, controlled airspace, controlled substances, controller system, controversial issue, controversial aspect, controversial subject, controversial matter, controversial topic, controversial question, controversial decision, controversial film, controversial move, controversial plan, controversial proposal, controversy continue, convenient access, convenient way, convenient time, convenient use, convention center, convention speech, conventional method, conventional approach, conventional system, conventional medicine, conventional form, conventional view, conventional weapon, conventional agriculture, conventional style, conventional treatment, conventional instrument, conventional morality, conventional breeding, conventional farming, conventional fuel, conventional idea, conventional process, conventional sense, conventional therapy, conventional thinking, conventional wisdom, conventional thought, conventional economics, conventional model, conversation with, conversion efficiency, conversion rate, conversion system, conversion process, convert energy, convert string, convert text, convert format, convex mirror, convey information, convey message, convey meaning, convey emotion, conveyor belt, convince Congress, convince people, convince judge, convincing evidence, convincing argument, cook rice, cook food, cook meat, cook dinner, cookbook, cook soup, cooked food, cooking spray, cooking pot, cooking oil, cooking method, cooking process, cooking style, cooking quality, cooking range, cooking time, cooking machine, cooking vessel, cool air, cool temperature, cool climate, cool down, cool night, cool water, cool region, cool summer, cool season, cool winter, cool area, cool day, cool kid, cool place, cool name, cooling effect, cooling temperature, cooling system, cooling rate, cooling cost, cooperate with, cooperate well, cooperation development, cooperation agreement, cooperation model, cooperation system, cooperation organization, cooperation treaty, cooperative learning, cooperative education, cooperative organization, cooperative association, cooperative network, cooperative strategy, cooperative relationship, cooperative effort, cooperative farm, cooperative system, cooperative control, cooperative effect, cooperative engagement, cooperative project, cooperative research, cooperative society, coordinate system, coordinate action, coordinate control, coordinate project, coordinate change, coordinate development, coordinated development, coordinated plan, coordinated effort, coordination communication, coordination control, coordination ability, cope situation, cope well, cope challenge. Copious amount, copper oxide, copper alloy, copper plate, copper ore, copper bell, copper mine, copper tube, copper sulfate, copper cable, copper red, copper wiring, copybook, copy paper, copy text, copy document, copy method, copy code, copy product, copyright law, Copyright Act, copyright infringement, copyright protection, copyright holder, copyright notice, coral reef, coral reefs, coral island, coral sea, cordless phone, core mantle, core region, core sample, core concept, core temperature, core component, core processor, core value, core material, core belief, core drill, core subject, core element, core topic, core body, core market, core principle, core function, core architecture, core area, core experience, core feature, core framework, core issue, core model, core process, core theory, core field, core activity, core collection, core course, core design, core flow, core objective, core structure, core concern, core application, core competitiveness, core idea, core ideology, core level, core measure, core standard, core philosophy, core culture, core pattern, core section, core skill, core chip, core operation, core strategy, core zone, corn syrup, corn soybean, corn flour, corn production, corn stalk, corn meal, corn seed, corn starch, corn variety, corn grow, corn cob, corn crop, corn ethanol, corn kernel, corn oil, corn harvest, corn tortilla, corn grain, corn belt, corn yield, corn plant, corn bread, corned beef, Cornell University, corner side, coronary disease, corporal punishment, corporate finance, corporate governance, corporate culture, corporate profit, corporate responsibility, corporate scandal, corporate sponsor, corporate tax, corporate bond, corporate charter, corporate entity, corporate income, corporate investment, corporate jet, corporate logo, corporate event, corporate goal, corporate ethics, corporate meeting, corporate merger, corporate spending, corporate world, corporate administration, corporate banking, corporate body, corporate business, corporate communication, corporate enterprise, corporate environment, corporate equity, corporate executive, corporate policy, corporate practice, corporate sector, corporate security, corporate strategy, corporate value, corporate welfare, corporate level, corporate standard, corporate board, corporate decision, corporate headquarters, corporate management, corporate performance, corporate profits, corporation group, corporation development, corporation name, corporation system, correct number, correct answer, correct statement, correct interpretation, correct description, correct error, correct application, correct method, correct choice, correct conclusion, correct place, correct position, correct response, correct date, correct form, correct sequence, correct version, correct amount, correct analysis, correct decision, correct defect, correct direction, correct explanation, correct identification, correct operation, correct result, correct term, correct usage, correct use, correct value, correct way, correct action, correct connection, correct treatment, correct understanding, correct view, correct forecast, correction technique, correction scheme, corrective action, corrective measure, correctly predict, correctly interpret, correctly identify, correctly reflect, correctly position, correctly determine, correctly understand, correctly diagnose, correctly point, correlate with, correlation coefficient, correlation information, correlation analysis, correlation function, correspondence analysis, correspondence address, corresponding change, corresponding point, corresponding period, corresponding increase, corresponding time, corresponding level, corresponding state, corresponding value, corresponding action, corresponding view, corresponding number, corresponding section, corresponding type, corresponding element, corresponding function, corridor area, corrosion rate, corrosion resistance, corrosive effect, corrupt politician, corrupt practice, corrupt society, corrupt people, corruption scandal, corruption perceptions, corruption commission, cosmetic surgery, cosmetic company, cosmetic industry, cosmetic box, cosmetic product, cosmic ray, cosmic radiation, cosmic consciousness, cosmic scale, cosmic energy, cosmic expansion, cosmic dust, cosmological model, cosmopolitanicity, cost benefit, cost effectiveness, cost analysis, cost increase, cost estimate, cost fall, cost million, cost dollar, cost efficiency, cost system, cost cutting, cost price, cost rise, cost lot, cost overrun, cost performance, cost reduction, cost reduce, cost efficient, cost minimization, cost average, cost decrease, cost design, cost issue, cost profit, cost rate, cost saving, cost transfer, cost base, cost control, cost element, cost factor, cost level, cost model, cost savings, cost study, cost target, cost change, cost competition, cost expense, cost inflation, cost information, cost expenditure, cost range, cost risk, costly material, costume design, costume designer, costume party, costume jewelry, cottage industry, cotton gin, cotton production, cotton industry, cotton textile, cotton mill, cotton cloth, cotton farmer, cotton fabric, cotton crop, cotton seed, cotton picker, cotton fiber, cotton trade, cotton wool, cotton factory, cotton field, cotton plant, cotton fiber, cotton candy, cotton print, cotton yield, cotton swab, cotton material, couch potato, cough syrup, council decide, council member, council vote, council meeting, council resolution, council seat, council session, council chief, council conference, council decision, counseling practice, count number, count value, counter current, counter argument, counter effect, counter attack, counter culture, counter force, counter evidence, counter measure, counter strategy, counter revolutionary, counteract effect, counterclockwise direction, counting system, countless number, country region, country music, country world, country population, country state, country economy, country develop, country food, country system, country produce, country level, country house, country singer, country import, country trade, country capital, country culture, country face, country work, country achieve, country history, country people, country area, country community, country struggle, country export, country government, country district, country doctor, country limit, country leader, country land, country name, country policy, country wealth, country church, country citizen, country estate, country flag, country girl, country home, country industrialization, country industry, country information, country landscape, country market, country park, country power, country prosperity, country skiing, country song, country strategy, country suffer, country support, country code, country club, country control, country fair, country income, country school, country status, country town, country residence, county government, county school, county attorney, county courthouse, county district, county sheriff, county administration, county council, county court, county level, county commission, county department, county area, county committee, coup attempt, couple year, couple day, couple time, coupling interaction, coupling reaction, coupling efficiency, coupling system, courageous man, courier service, course study, course development, course project, course experiment, course material, course content, course design, course analysis, course program, course record, course site, course work, course name, course run, court case, court rule, court justice, court system, court decision, court ruling, court declare, courthouse, court order, court record, court judge, court decide, court approval, court reject, court building, court date, court official, court review, court sentence, court document, court judgment, court opinion, court clerk, courtly love, courtship behavior, courtship ritual, cover area, cover range, cover surface, cover layer, cover story, cover distance, cover structure, cover type, cover face, cover plant, cover mouth, cover image, cover material, cover back, cover design, cover floor, cover mile, cover page, cover wall, cover star, cover everything, cover photo, cover sheet, cover loss, cover foot, cover paper, cover title, coverage area, covering layer, covering material, cow manure, cow dung, cow milk, cow disease, cow pasture, cowboy hat, cozy home, crack damage, crack tip, crack surface, craft work, craft technique, craft production, craft art, craft design, craft activity, craft project, craft process, crash car, crash landing, crash program, crash accident, crater floor, crater lake, crawl back, crayon drawing, crazy story, crazy behavior, cream cheese, cream cone, cream shop, creamy white, create work, create system, create art, create condition, create effect, create environment, create model, create demand, create form, create change, create music, create market, create opportunity, create program, create atmosphere, create product, create object, create problem, create network, create tension, create job, create painting, create world, create space, create wave, create community, create life, create style, create picture, create technology, create department, create pressure, create production, create relationship, create value, create record, create language, create company, create experience, create project, create material, create awareness, create character, create machine, create method, create structure, create energy, create event, create foundation, create plan, create service, create union, create rule, create application, create business, create content, create page, create partnership, create possibility, create wealth, create web, create reality, create history, create pollution, create function, create meaning, create archive, create balance, create brand, create collection, create confusion, create document, create employment, create enterprise, create fear, create friction, create future, create goodwill, create heat, create hierarchy, create link, create order, create prosperity, create resource, create sector, create trigger, create harmony, create stability, create knowledge, create account, create momentum, create query, create resistance, create standard, create user, create competition, creation myth, creation story, creation system, creation form, creation event, creation tool, creation technique, creation date, creation development, creation model, creation approach, creation design, creation theory, creation time, creation machine, creation style, creative process, creative work, creative skill, creative act, creative art, creative imagination, creative people, creative activity, creative destruction, creative force, creative idea, creative person, creative team, creative thinking, creative expression, creative vision, creative business, creative commons, creative director, creative method, creative mind, creative personality, creative thought, creative way, creative use, creative learning, creative approach, creative aspect, creative capacity, creative collaboration, creative energy, creative freedom, creative impulse, creative industry, creative play, creative potential, creative problem, creative spirit, creative style, creative talent, creative task, creative thinker, creative type, creative writing, creative class, creative measure, creative plan, creative outlet, creature live, credible alternative, credit card, credit system, credit union, credit rating, credit lack, credit term, credit market, credit risk, credit support, credit interest, credit account, credit condition, credit control, credit development, credit institution, credit loan, credit payment, credit scoring, credit status, credit bank, credit law, credit program, credit project, credit relationship, credit sale, creditor country, creek bed, crescent moon, crescent shape, crew member, crew chief, cricket ball, crime scene, crime rate, crime punishment, crime system, crime fiction, crime problem, crime film, crime novel, crime occur, crime drama, crime victim, criminal law, criminal court, criminal case, criminal activity, criminal investigation, criminal group, criminal justice, criminal offense, criminal act, criminal behavior, criminal negligence, criminal prosecution, criminal responsibility, criminal tribunal, criminal behavior, criminal procedure, criminal charge, criminal defendant, criminal intent, criminal jurisdiction, criminal sanction, criminal trial, criminal underworld, criminal lawyer, criminal punishment, criminal situation, criminal system, criminal matter, criminal offense, crimson light, cripple economy, crisis state, crisis management, crisis occur, crisis period, crisis situation, crisis time, crisis intervention, crisis response, crisis group, crisis level, crisis team, crispy chicken, critic argue, critic claim, critic accuse, critical theory, critical point, critical role, critical temperature, critical thinking, critical component, critical study, critical analysis, critical acclaim, critical approach, critical behavior, critical function, critical issue, critical period, critical skill, critical success, critical test, critical method, critical essay, critical factor, critical level, critical source, critical reading, critical system, critical value, critical control, critical part, critical reflection, critical aspect, critical juncture, critical time, critical commentary, critical element, critical importance, critical information, critical region, critical resource, critical review, critical step, critical work, critical input, critical life, critical care, critical consciousness, critical decision, critical distance, critical gap, critical mass, critical perspective, critical process, critical threshold, critical discussion, critical exponent, critical practice, critical attitude, critical condition, critical need, critical problem, critical question, critical support, critical view, critical operation, critical activity, critical assessment, critical challenge, critical consideration, critical feature, critical illness, critical pressure, critical stage, critical thought, critical velocity, critical way, critical examination, critical application, critical discourse, critical driver, critical force, critical growth, critical measure, critical position, critical project, critical technique, critical water, critical business, critical evaluation, critical risk, critical transition, critically ill, critically important, criticism method, criticism theory, criticism view, criticism system, crop yield, crop rotation, crop production, crop plant, crop failure, crop variety, crop field, crop development, crop productivity, crop cultivation, crop area, crop diversity, crop growth, crop management, crop insurance, crop planting, crop farming, crop science, crop protection, crop seed, crop residue, crop soil, crop breeding, crop damage, crop improvement, crop land, crop quality, crop root, crop system, crop acreage, crop industry, crop rice, cropped hair, cross section, cross ocean, crossover, cross river, cross line, cross boundary, cross area, cross country, cross link, cross Atlantic, cross bridge, cross breed, cross correlation, cross layer, cross street, cross border, cross reaction, cross species, cross talk, cross field, cross validation, cross province, cross cutting, cross model, cross path, cross point, cross reference, cross C, cross straight, cross analysis, cross design, cross examination, cross experiment, cross promotion, cross society, cross state, cross symbol, cross language, cross cell, cross station, cross domain, cross structure, crossing bridge, crossing river, crossword puzzle, crowd behavior, crowd noise, crowd cheer, crowd control, crowded city, crowded room, crowded place, crowded street, crown root, crown jewel, crown colony, crowning achievement, crucial role, crucial part, crucial factor, crucial difference, crucial element, crucial step, crucial function, crucial aspect, crucial importance, crucial component, crucial information, crucial issue, crucial problem, crucial question, crucial time, crucial tool, crucial player, crucial support, crucial feature, crucial ingredient, crucial point, crucial thing, crucial evidence, crucial area, crucial place, crucial decision, crucial link, crucially important, crude oil, crude price, crude extract, crude output, cruel war, cruel master, cruel punishment, cruel behavior, cruel joke, cruise ship, cruise line, crushed rock, crushed stone, crust mantle, crystal structure, crystal form, crystal clear, crystal palace, crystal fiber, crystal ball, crystal glass, crystal face, crystal plate, crystal state, crystalline structure, crystalline lens, crystalline substance, CT scan, CT scanning, cubic meter, cubic foot, cubic centimeter, cuckoo clock, cuckoo bird, culinary art, cultivate land, cultivate plant, cultivate crop, cultivation area, cultivation practice, cultural anthropology, cultural value, cultural study, cultural heritage, cultural practice, cultural movement, cultural revolution, cultural context, cultural history, cultural influence, cultural tradition, cultural area, cultural relativism, cultural group, cultural change, cultural identity, cultural resource, cultural development, cultural phenomenon, cultural trait, cultural activity, cultural center, cultural symbol, cultural pluralism, cultural system, cultural difference, cultural genocide, cultural aspect, cultural barrier, cultural diversity, cultural evolution, cultural exchange, cultural landscape, cultural life, cultural property, cultural sphere, cultural association, cultural continuity, cultural expression, cultural force, cultural literacy, cultural norm, cultural significance, cultural background, cultural capital, cultural field, cultural geography, cultural icon, cultural comparison, cultural institution, cultural condition, cultural element, cultural environment, cultural experience, cultural image, cultural knowledge, cultural meaning, cultural viewpoint, cultural attitude, cultural attribute, cultural critic, cultural education, cultural effect, cultural feature, cultural form, cultural impact, cultural isolation, cultural pattern, cultural perspective, cultural product, cultural relationship, cultural research, cultural role, cultural transmission, cultural importance, cultural innovation, cultural understanding, cultural treasure, cultural achievement, cultural asset, cultural dimension, cultural division, cultural elite, cultural festival, cultural imperialism, cultural inheritance, cultural link, cultural origin, cultural patrimony, cultural psychology, cultural reason, cultural reference, cultural root, cultural setting, cultural tendency, cultural transfer, cultural variation, cultural work, cultural authority, cultural base, cultural legacy, cultural site, cultural support, cultural trend, cultural ambassador, cultural approach, cultural bias, cultural characteristic, cultural competence, cultural conservatism, cultural diplomacy, cultural divide, cultural event, cultural goods, cultural historian, cultural idea, cultural identification, cultural implication, cultural issue, cultural mainstream, cultural milieu, cultural misunderstanding, cultural model, cultural nature, cultural organization, cultural pursuit, cultural revival, cultural scene, cultural shift, cultural superiority, cultural transformation, cultural hegemony, cultural center, cultural communication, cultural prejudice, cultural taboo, cultural criticism, cultural project, cultural structure, culturally diverse, culturally relevant, culturally acceptable, culturally appropriate, culture develop, culture society, culture history, culture area, culture influence, culture tradition, culture study, culture world, culture change, culture life, culture value, culture form, culture education, culture view, culture spread, culture movement, culture system, culture identity, culture industry, culture practice, culture affect, culture community, culture environment, culture experience, culture group, culture custom, culture center, culture development, culture knowledge, culture method, culture medium, culture circle, culture clash, culture origin, culture park, culture progress, culture shock, culture source, culture background, culture communication, culture condition, culture idea, culture landscape, culture power, culture base, culture collection, culture difference, culture diversity, culture feature, culture field, culture focus, culture heritage, culture minister, culture model, culture production, culture show, culture war, culture work, culture activity, culture center, culture conflict, culture pattern, culture personality, culture sense, culture style, culture business, culture character, culture class, culture ecology, culture evolution, culture harmony, culture information, culture orientation, culture setting, culture structure, culture year, culture competition, culture construction, culture establishment, culture thought, cumulative effect, cumulative number, cumulative impact, cumulonimbus cloud, cumulus cloud, cuneiform writing, cup final, curative effect, curb pollution, curbside, curb emission, curb immigration, curb price, curb spending, curbside recycling, cure disease, cure illness, cure method, cure cancer, cure problem, curing method, curious thing, curious phenomenon, curiously shaped, curl up, curly hair, currency exchange, currency policy, currency inflation, currency system, currency issue, currency strategy, currency fall, currency market, currency note, current flow, current state, current research, current model, current system, current trend, current practice, current understanding, current form, current level, current rate, current work, current situation, current day, current era, current evidence, current issue, current study, current use, current approach, current change, current knowledge, current debate, current method, current policy, current thinking, current event, current technology, current climate, current density, current life, current status, current chairman, current crisis, current location, current period, current consensus, current example, current generation, current problem, current theory, current usage, current view, current atmosphere, current type, current effect, current pattern, current president, current wave, current activity, current age, current area, current condition, current customer, current cycle, current development, current distribution, current law, current market, current plan, current position, current program, current regime, current speed, current topic, current version, current fluctuation, current concept, current direction, current analysis, current behavior, current building, current challenge, current controversy, current culture, current field, current focus, current growth, current idea, current interest, current investigation, current need, current noise, current obsession, current population, current process, current regulation, current sense, current size, current standards, current structure, current treatment, current trends, current century, current feature, current number, current trajectory, current account, current branch, current circulation, current demand, current device, current environment, current mission, current setting, current society, current stream, current year, current administration, current affair, current awareness, current background, current capability, current collection, current constitution, current context, current control, current crop, current economy, current estimate, current expansion, current framework, current government, current intensity, current layer, current leader, current loop, current measurement, current meter, current mode, current opinion, current organization, current outbreak, current output, current peak, current power, current predicament, current procedure, current production, current region, current scope, current software, current stage, current strategy, current supply, current term, current transaction, current value, current velocity, current weather, current cabinet, current configuration, current distance, current phenomenon, current priority, current agreement, current block, current curriculum, current phase, current time, current company, current thought, currently be, currently use, currently available, currently live, currently exist, currently work, currently face, currently active, currently popular, currently lack, currently support, currently unknown, currently visible, curriculum development, curriculum model, curriculum study, curriculum change, curriculum design, curriculum content, curriculum program, curriculum vitae, curriculum standards, curriculum system, cursive writing, cursive script, cursive style, cursory examination, curtail credit, curve fit, curve method, curve line, curve shape, curve ball, curve surface, curve section, curve model, curve function, curved shape, curved line, curved edge, curved path, curved arrow, curved blade, custom duty, custom language, custom setting, custom design, custom fit, custom house, custom painting, custom rule, custom state, custom value, custom pattern, customary law, customary practice, customer relationship, customer need, customer service, customer purchase, customer value, customer experience, customer behavior, customer demand, customer group, customer order, customer requirement, customer satisfaction, customer call, customer centric, customer management, customer marketing, customer base, customer benefit, customer complaint, customer complaint, customer expectation, customer interest, customer lifetime, customer loyalty, customer orientation, customer record, customer review, customer support, customer profile, customer knowledge, customer environment, customer perception, customer perspective, customer community, cut off, cut cost, cut tree, cut import, cut spending, cut edge, cut price, cut rate, cut time, cut paper, cut stone, cut supply, cut tax, cut wood, cut budget, cut funding, cut hair, cut meat, cut throat, cut size, cut surface, cut aid, cut deficit, cut expense, cut fat, cut grass, cut investment, cut method, cut rock, cut machine, cute face, cut off point, cutting edge, cutting tool, cutting blade, cutting treatment, cutting method, cutting area, cyber attack, cycle control, cycle time, cycle stage, cycle phase, cycle process, cycle variation, cycle management, cycle model, cycle regulation, cycle water, cyclone track, cylinder engine, cylinder machine, cylinder system, cylindrical structure, daily life, daily activity, daily basis, daily exercise, daily value, daily prayer, daily mail, daily cycle, daily newspaper, daily allowance, daily consumption, daily dose, daily living, daily price, daily supplement, daily task, daily temperature, daily energy, daily level, daily live, daily movement, daily need, daily requirement, daily use, daily briefing, daily change, daily contact, daily experience, daily language, daily load, daily necessity, daily operation, daily performance, daily rate, daily ritual, daily routine, daily show, daily variation, daily work, daily diet, daily bread, daily communication, daily limit, daily update, daily weather, dairy product, dairy cattle, dairy farm, dairy cow, dairy company, dairy food, dairy industry, dam system, dam collapse, dam base, dam failure, damage cause, damage occur, damage repair, damage tissue, damage area, damage ecosystem, damage structure, damage increase, damage reputation, damage environment, damage economy, damage health, damage problem, damage nerve, damage hearing, damage accumulation, damage habitat, damage level, damage organ, damage control, damage lung, damage property, damage relationship, damage state, damage degree, damage detection, damage effect, damaged building, damaged tissue, damaged structure, damaging effect, damp good, damp soil, damp sand, damp cloth, damp hair, damp weather, damp vibration, dampen growth, dampen speculation, dance music, dance style, dance song, dance form, dance company, dance theater, dance academy, dance art, dance performance, dance school, dance step, dance studio, dance team, dance therapy, dance floor, dance hall, dance teacher, dance practice, dance move, dance partner, dance show, dance training, dance routine, dance group, dance party, dance troupe, dancing master, dancing group, dancing troupe, danger level, dangerous activity, dangerous level, dangerous condition, dangerous chemical, dangerous environment, dangerous form, dangerous idea, dangerous situation, dangerous time, dangerous animal, dangerous area, dangerous period, dangerous place, dangerous stunt, dangerous substance, dangerous territory, dangerous work, dangerous position, dangerous job, dangerously low, dangerously close, dark matter, dark energy, dark spot, dark age, dark side, dark ages, dark hair, dark line, dark light, dark sky, dark area, dark color, dark gray, dark pigment, dark color, dark background, dark brown, dark comedy, dark blue, dark green, dark shape, dark streak, dark region, dark night, dark shade, dark chocolate, dark field, dark patch, dark place, dark material, dark part, dark red, dark alley, dark cloud, dark eye, dark face, dark forest, dark gray, dark hour, dark night, dark man, dark object, dark period, dark skin, dark space, dark time.